Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome to Mr. Mac's house. This morning I thought I'd play a little Desde Finando for you guys, written by Joe Beam, 1959. It's one of my favorites. It's a key song from the Bossa Nova era, and one of my favorite all-time guitarists is Charlie Bird, and this particular song was made popular by Stan Getz and Charlie Bird in like '62. So if you're really interested in jazz guitar, I would really check out Charlie Bird. So, good morning. Welcome. And as you guys know, we're doing some online learning this quarter, the last 6 weeks. And we're going to continue to use MathScribble. You guys are familiar with what this is. Please let me know if there's any issues that you have, anything you need help with. There's Mac. But we're going to be using MathScribble. And so my page looks a little bit different. Instead of having the tabs at the top that we used to use right there, I've got a blog post that I'm going to have every Sunday night put out there with probably a little broadcast like this one. And I'll have some instructions for you guys for the week and links at the bottom for the individual classes. So right here you can see I've got geometry, physics, stats, computer programming, and then you click on those and then it'll give you the schedule for the week. I've got the schedule for the week Monday through Thursday. Friday's going to be slightly separate day for everybody, where you'll have something a little outside the box you can choose from to do, and I'll give you guys some ideas on that. We'll see how that goes, but school wants to set up a Monday through Thursday for classes, and then Friday maybe you get to choose something a little bit more hands-on, experiential, something like that. So the way office hours are going to work for your teachers is through this rotating schedule right here. That's a fixed schedule actually, but I am in pink here, so you can see on Monday I'm in the afternoon 1:30 to 3:30, and then Wednesday I'm in the mid-morning there, 10:30 to let's see, what does that say? 10:30 to 10:45 to 12:45. And then on Fridays, I'm the first office hours, 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. So that's time for me to be corresponding with you, and vice versa. So if you have questions, you can reach out to me, best through email, and I will use that time to contact you. So public service announcement. Okay, so what not to do if you're being attacked by a monkey? Do not run away or show fear. Back away slowly. Don't turn your back on the monkey. If a monkey senses that you are afraid, it will think that you are inferior and it might be more aggressive. Do not look at the monkey. Avoid eye contact. And don't show the monkey that you don't have anything in your hands, like food or a swinging tripod. So these are all things I did badly. So anyway, so something that maybe I can do much better is to keep calm and wash my hands. So you should be washing your hands for at least 20 seconds. Got to get those thumbs. There it is right there. I hope everybody's practicing good social distancing. Oh, I need a towel. Oh, could you hand me that towel? Yeah, thank you. Towel. Stay calm. All right. So, what have you guys been up to lately? with your break? You've been learning something new, getting out on long walks, reading any good books, learning some new software. I've been playing around with 3D modeling software. I've been reading some books. I've been doing lots of running, some biking, lots of time-lapse photography. Share with me what you're doing, and maybe I can share it with the rest of the group. I've been trying to collaborate with Mr. C with his Band Lab project. So you can see right there, I've got one follower. Thank you, Mr. C. And I'm hoping to put some music up. I already have one song up right now, but I'm hoping to do more. And yeah, so please, communicate with me. Tell me what's up. I will be sending out another broadcast soon to go over more specifics for classes. But the website's up right now. You can check out what we're going to be doing next week and look out for a new post every Sunday night, Monday morning. All right, guys. Be safe out there, and we'll talk soon.